PTC Windchill PDM Essentials, a central repository for product content, manages all forms of information generated during product development, from customer requirements to CAD data to schematics and BOMs. With seamless integration to PTC Creo Parametric, it's simple to add new designs or update existing ones. An embedded browser provides quick and easy access to the PDM repository. Simply right-mouse-click on the item, select Check In, and it's now stored in PTC Windchill PDM Essentials. There is a search toolbar always available in the top right corner. Enter the search term and a window slides out with the search results. With one mouse click, you get all of the information about that particular item, including where it was used and what objects are related to it. PTC Creo View Lite, PTC's visualization tool, is also included to distribute information to people who do not have design tools on their own computer, but need to see and interrogate product models. Reviewing a particular design, making comments or markups, and taking measurements can all be done without disturbing the original design file. It's easy to manage documents from within the Microsoft Windows environment. In this example, we're actually navigating through PTC Windchill PDM Essentials folders even though we're in Windows. To add a document, simply drag and drop it into the folder. Another feature is the ability to easily manage the entire approval process. Users assigned with approval authority can look at the instructions, give their comments, and then ultimately decide whether they want to approve or reject the item. PTC Windchill PDM Essentials will empower smaller organizations to effectively organize and manage their product content. And because it's built on PTC Windchill, a production-proven PLM software, it not only meets your requirements today, it provides the foundation to meet your future needs.